just 15 yards from the batter. Too short from Fahim Ashraf. Doesn't have the pace to threaten Usman. Also, the line was way outside the off stump, allowed him to free the arms.
And this one is pulled. The Caribbean pull.
Goes past that diving fielder at backward point for a boundary. You provide that width and the batter will throw the bat at it. Why not?
For Australia.
Again, gone through. Similar shot, same fielder, identical. Result? Yes, of course, they'll look at the match situation. What a shot that is. That's nicely driven on the last ball of the over. This is an expensive one. 12 off the over with 3 boundaries. 10 overs bowled, 43 for 2. Oh, very short. That's a half tracker. Put away. That's been the issue with Qadir's bowling. To be able to land the ball consistently in the good areas.
Partnership developing now, and a gift for these two batters. 3 boundaries in the previous over, and now 10 runs of the first 4 balls of Usman Qadir. And all the worry regarding the run rate has gone to rest now.
Was in the air for a while. Not too far away from Herrera. And come back for 2. Oh, he's hit that well. The minute it hit the bat, you knew it, it's clean. Just over pitching slightly and allows him to get under it.
And his ability to hit big down the ground, he goes for it, connects well, gets a 6. And coming back to Sikandar, talking about bowlers being consistent and patient.
Oh, placement. That's well done.
Found some gap, long distance to be covered. Fahim Ashraf, but well done in the end. We'll have to take another look. Off the back foot and bang, what a shot. Massive comeback by Usman. Quick back speed. Played into the gap, 4 runs. Use of feet, and what a massive reaction by Usman. Down the ground, 2 bounces over the boundary rope. Boundary to end the over, 97 for 3 and 50 for Usman.
What a great knock from Usman. He really needed that comeback. 3rd 50 of his career.
Has gone through. Probably had a little bit of a finger onto it, but still it's got enough legs to get to the boundary. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. How good was that?
Nouman Ali just picking the length so early makes it so easy for him to put it anywhere he wants. And 5 rows back.
Quick, and is tall. Once again, he goes on one knee and hits it over mid-wicket. That's his zone. Looking for his first scalp. And this is cut into the gap. Chase for the fielder who tries his best. Mir Hamza, he's a fighter. Because he seems to be in contact both with the ball and the rope. And there you have it.
That's it. Gets the 100. Second 100 of the Barrier Town Champions Cup. First List A 100 for Usman Khan, who made his List A debut in 23. And he's looked good after the T20 100, which everyone loved. He's got his first in List A.
Look at the relief on Usman's face. His first 100 in List A cricket within only 5 innings already. He has been scoring 50s in this format, but what a graduation from T20 cricket to these 50 overs.
Oh, edged. Now he's going to never catch up with that. Probably a dive would have been a better option. But not a bad ball.
Should be out. Should be out. Is out. Or it's not. No, it is out. It is out. It's taken it. Because Usman is moving. It's a good inning. That's a good smart catch too. But he's still waiting because there was confusion. Salman, you were right.
Front foot is fine. And let's get the ball rolling. What happened next is of importance now. And Usman wanted to go big. Top edged it. And cleanly taken. And Fahim Ashraf has done a tremendous job.
Because it gets tougher when you dive and your elbows hit the ground. That's where the ball pops out mostly. But Fahim Ashraf, with all that experience, has done really well.
Yep, Zulfikar Jan. And Usman departs after scoring a decent 100.